how to track orders on DHgate. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually track orders on DHgate. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to track orders on DHgate, all you have to do is just open up your browser, go to the DHgate website, which is www.dhgate.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below. Then make sure that you're signed into your account. Let's say that you've ordered something, you want to find the tracking status and then track that order. Just hover your icon over the profile name over here on the top right, and then you'll find the option called My Orders. Basically, just go to My Orders. Now, once you go to My Orders, you can see all orders, available payments, awaiting shipment, awaiting confirm, awaiting the review, dispute orders, completed orders, or cancel orders. If you'd like to view and track your order, just go to all orders, select the orders that you want to track, and then you'll find all of those details listed over here. And that is it on how you can track your orders on DHgate. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.